Today's question: how do you record what's on your iPhone or iPad screen? Let's find out. This is Dave's Tech Rescue, where I solve your problems with computers, internet and technology. If you have a question you'd like to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video, where I might be answering your question. In one of my previous videos, where I showed how to get out of split screen mode on the iPad, Mrs. 803 asked how was I able to record the screen on my iPad? Well, screen recording is actually built into all iPads and iPhones running iOS 11 or newer. In this video, we're going to add a screen recording button to your control center. That's the controls you get when you swipe up on an iPhone or swipe down from the top right corner on an iPad. First, we need to open the Settings app. Then look down the left-hand side for Control Center and tap on it. Now tap on Customize Controls. Here you'll see sets of controls. The first set at the top lists the controls that are already in your control center. Below it are all the controls you can add to it. Look for Screen Recording and press the green Add icon next to it. Now we can close Settings and open the Control Center again. So swipe up on your iPhone or on your iPad, swipe down from the top right. You'll see an icon that wasn't there before, a circle with a ring around it. This is the screen recording button. Let's give it a go. When you press it, you get a 3-second countdown. Then you can close the control center and do whatever it is you want to record. You'll notice the screen recording symbol in the top right of the screen. When you're ready to stop recording, just open the control center again and press the screen recording button again. This will stop the recording. Now you can open the Photos app where you'll find your recording. You'll find that everything you've pressed or done will have been recorded, but it won't have recorded your voice. If you want to record your voice when you make a screen recording, open the Control Center, then press deeply on Screen Recording. Then tap the microphone button to turn it on before starting the screen recording. This time your voice will be recorded. Did that work for you? Please give this video the thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you're using screen recording for. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this from me in future, please hit the red subscribe button, and if you have a question you'd like to ask me, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.